Hi YouTube. Been a while since I made a video. I'm sitting here in the passenger seat of the Trailblazer right now. Just left the house, making a second trip down to pick up an old truck I got from my aunt and uncle. Went down last weekend to Tennessee to get the thing, and me and my little brother got halfway back, and the clutch went out on it in Beaver Dam, Kentucky. I had to have it hauled to a garage, and they fixed it. Now we're heading, me and Mom are headed back down there again to get the thing. So we'll see how it goes. Hard to see on this camera, isn't it? The last time I come down through here, this bridge on this side was under construction, and they just finished that bridge over there, and we had to go south on that bridge, and now they finally got this one reopened. And now the traffic's not that bad. You get down through here. And so not too shabby, but over here this direction, there's Louisville. It's going to be right down in it. About 40 miles down the road from the house now. We've got about all the new construction up here done now. Today because tomorrow it's supposed to start off raining and then change off to freezing rain and then turn to snow, and so today is about the best time to get through here. Look, there's Colonel Sanders. Pleased that it's actually dry today. Been down this road in the last month 2 other times, and both times it was raining and just a mess. Well, there's the old Cardinal Stadium, Freedom Hall, all the horse barns. there. In the back there, you can kind of see a big old Ferris wheel for Kentucky Kingdom back there. Zoom it in. Well, there's the roller coaster for a second. That road's a little too bouncy right now. Get up here just a little bit further. Off in the distance there, you might be able to see a brown jet airplane up there. That's UPS's world headquarters right in Louisville, Kentucky. National Guard planes up there. Well, not much to see from here. Too far down too many lanes over. But that's still the airport there, so well, of course you can't see it because we're passing a UPS truck. There's the tower back there. I guess I got all the planes out today. I was gonna show down through here somewhere. You used to see plane after plane after plane lined up, all in UPS planes, but don't see them today. So. Oh well, that figures. Anytime I have the opportunity to film anything, it's no longer there. Well, about 2 hours outside of Louisville here, and here we are coming into Beaver Dam, Kentucky. Get up here, he told me it'd be $98.65. Hope he doesn't charge me a stowage fee. Should be. Might get over in the left lane there. See that green light up there? That's where you'll turn left.
I still don't see any beavers or down.
Well, to make a long story short, We've got the truck picked up now. Mama's driving it, and I'm following her in the Trailblazer. It's probably hard to tell in this light, but that little Ranger's purple. I always said I wanted a purple vehicle, but I never dreamed it was going to be a truck. I thought it was going to be a Mopar. Wasn't as much as I thought. I thought it was going to be 98.65, but it wasn't but 96.85. So they didn't charge us any storage fee or anything like that. And we're about 30 miles back into our trip now. 35 miles, something like that, heading back home. We stopped and I checked the oil on it, and it's still holding good on the oil. It hadn't used a drop. So, hope they didn't siphon any gas out of it, because the gas gauge doesn't work on it. And I filled the tank up right before we took it to the place. We got a full tank, we should be able to make it all the way back home with no problem. Anyhow, we'll update you again when we get a little further up the road there, or might not update again until I get back to the house. Anyhow, if I don't update it, this is Gary signing off. Thanks for watching. Well, here it is, Saturday, YouTube. We're out in the rain and come up. Got the little Ranger back to the house here now. But of course the clutch messed up again as soon as we pulled into the driveway. And looks like this time here I'm just going to have to change the whole clutch system on it. Put a new master cylinder on it, the slave cylinder, and for the hydraulics on it. And since I'm going to have to do that, Ford in their infinite wisdom, instead of putting the slave cylinder outside of the transmission, put this one inside the bell housing there right behind the clutch plate. So I'm just going to change the clutch plate out too, but that's going to all have to just wait for this spring. Until then, this thing here is going to be a lawn ornament. It's drizzling rain right now. I've got to go in the garage and get the get our big can of kerosene in there and go fill it up. Supposed to change to snow later on this evening, and I sincerely hope they're wrong about the forecast, because they're showing between 10 and 11 inches for here, and I just don't want to deal with that. But I'm going to go ahead and get off of here before I get the camera too wet. Anyhow, this is Gary signing off, and thanks for watching.